order, order. It appears that this business owner here is getting so much traffic and leads, it's looking suspicious. Your Honor, the defendant's videos are going viral about that business and they claim it's just because of funny ads. I don't believe it one bit. They're doing something illegal. They're lying. Listen, the only thing that I'm guilty of is learning how to make funny ads that go viral. These silly ads bring in leads and traffic and more sales for my business. It can't be true. They're lying. Order, order. Listen, if these funny ads are really bringing in more leads and business for you, tell me more. It's actually really simple, Your Honor. In fact, if you scroll down, I created something called the How to Make Funny Ads Even If You're Not Funny mini course. And I show business owners how to make funny ads even if you're not funny. Yeah, but you probably gotta be like naturally funny or something. No. Yeah, but you probably gotta be able to afford fancy equipment and expensive sets. Nope. Yeah, but you probably gotta sign away your firstborn just for you to make it in this business. No. And then when you run out of money, you gotta set up an OnlyFans account and you gotta let complete strangers watch you as you put foreign objects inside of your— God, no, stop. Listen, creating funny ads is great for business owners no matter what stage you're in, whether you're just starting out or whether you've been around for a long time and you just want more leads. Look, there's a reason why all the biggest advertisers in the world that advertise at the Super Bowl choose to do it with funny ads to maximize their ad spend. And it works for organic videos too. The more that you make them laugh, the more that they like you or your brand. And consumers like to buy from people and brands that they like. All right, it's all kind of starting to make sense now. And I was thinking the same thing. What do you think? Do we believe her? I think she might be telling the truth, Your Honor. All right, sweetheart, you're free to go. But you gotta let all the nice business owners here know how they can learn how to make funny ads for their business too. You're not the only one who needs leads and traffic. Oh, of course. If you're an entrepreneur or business owner and you'd like to learn how you can make funny ads so you can bring in more leads and traffic and become unforgettable to your audience, make sure to just scroll down and click that link so you can get the How to Make Funny Ads for Your Business Even If You're Not Funny mini course and start bringing in loads of traffic and explode your business today. All right, you heard the girl. This court is now closed. Click the link to get the funny ads course now. You ain't got all day. What are you waiting for? Kristine Mirelle to stop making stupid ads all the time? You waiting for Grant Cardone to sell his plane or something? You waiting for Hamosi to stop wearing that nose thingy? You waiting for Russell Brunson to stop talking so fast? You waiting for Gary Vee to actually be all sweet and nice? Are you waiting for Tony Robbins to learn how to sing? The Kardashians to stop getting plastic surgery? Kristine Mirelle to actually dye her hair a normal color so she doesn't look like Rainbow Bride over here? Well, it ain't happening. Click that link below. This court is adjourned.